YouTube, what's good, y'all? Welcome back to the club. Welcome back to the channel. It's your host. It's Professor_E back here with another video. Listen, I know y'all saw by the title. I know y'all saw by the thumbnail what I'm finna review up in here. Alright? Boom! The Onns. The ONN. You dig? I picked these up on the Walmart. You dig? These were about $40, right? I don't know if y'all been seeing on the internet lately, but I've been seeing, I don't know if it's Google be running these ads on me, but I've been seeing this company, the ONN, on my feeds. You feel me? So I was just walking out the Walmart, minding my own business, you know what I'm saying? And then I saw these. And I'm like, yo, let me buy them. They're about $40. I'll put the link in the description if you want to buy one. But nonetheless, I want to do a review on these, Not everybody has the luxury, to be buying AirPods out here. All right, so boom, we got the Onns, comes in green. Looks like some lime green or something like that. I don't know what you really call this. Turquoise? Probably turquoise, First, right off the bat, I'm not even gonna lie. I'm not really liking this color, bro. Like, this is looking like this came from a, like a garbage truck or something. This is giving me like garbage truck vibes, Especially the coloring, like green on yellow. Like, come on, Onns, you better than this. So boom, we got the Onns. Comes in green. Looks like some lime green or something like that. I don't know what you really call this. Turquoise? Probably turquoise. First, right off the bat, I'm not even gonna lie. I'm not really liking this color, bro. Like, this is looking like this came from a, like a garbage truck or something. This is giving me like garbage truck vibes. Especially the coloring, like green on yellow. Like, come on, you better than this. But yeah, I just want to say that right off the rip, because I ain't liking the colors right here. But anyways, all right, let's just get into the the specs and stuff like that. So over here it says 20 hours of playtime. Up to 20 hours of playtime. Obviously Bluetooth, waterproof IPF5, wireless headphones with charging case. Obviously, I mean, they look pretty, decent for $40. Like, you can't complain about this. Nice labeling on the sides despite the coloring. If they went like more black and white, I'll be digging it. What else it says here? So up to 33 feet, 10 meter of wireless range. So I mean, if you're downstairs and you upstairs and you still listen to your phone and listen to some music, I mean, you should be Gucci. High definition sound. We'll see about that. That's what I want to know. Is it really high definition for $40? We'll see. The basics, blah blah blah. I ain't gonna read that. The specs: Bluetooth, 6 hours of playtime per charge, 20 hours of playtime, total playtime, up to 33 feet, 10 meter wireless range, IPF5, waterproof, earbuds, individually connected device, ear detection, touch control. All right. I mean, what's in the box? Let's see what's in the box. Paired with wireless headphones, obviously, charging case, obviously, USB. Okay, it's the the basics. So I already opened the box. Okay, so I should open it from the bottom. Alright, so boom. Again, the coloring, man. Onns, man. Come on. No pun intended, but come on. Look at this coloring, man. Anyways, so let's just pull it out. Alright. Oh shoot, something fell out. So I'm guessing that one of the earbuds came out. I don't know if y'all can see that right here. If it wants to focus, come on. Yeah, I don't want to focus. But yeah, this is one of the buds. Alright. We got this right here. The user manual. Discard that. Nobody reads that. Alright. The case right here. Little instruction on the top right here. Alright, so that was the right bud that fell off. This is the left one. Bruh, I can't even take this out. Alright, there you go. Alright, throw that to the side. Throw that to the side. Alright, we want to test these. You know what I'm saying? We want to test these, you know? Alright, boom. Boom. These are the Onns. Alright, we got to test these correctly. You know what I'm saying? Turns out you got to put one of these in these cases for it to pair. So, that's what I'm going to do. As you can see, it's both flashing, which means it's trying to pair. Alright, so let me just see right here which one it is. The Onns! You see that? The Onns right there. You gotta click on that. The Onns. You know what I'm saying? Oh, let me put in my ear. Let me put in my ear. Okay, let me put in my ear. I can't hear anything, really. I don't know how long I'm talking right now, but let's see. Let me pair them. Alright, boom. Now they're connected. They're connected on my Pixel, you feel me? Now what we gonna do is we're gonna open up MHD, you feel me? MHD, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna play that, and yeah, let's hear it. Let's test it. All right. Okay. All right. Oh, hey. Oh la la. Hold on. The Onns. Hold on with a second. Yo. No way. No way. Onns. Bro, I can really hear the bass on these things, man. I had to pause it, but the Onns. I don't think it's a joke, bro. Hey, for $40? Hold on, let me just play this one more time. Bro, I can really hear the bass. Hey. I can really hear the bass on these things, man. Alright. This actually caught me off guard. To be honest, they were $40, so I thought they were gonna be like alright, but they are alright. I thought they were gonna be worse than alright. But hey man, these are actually pretty good, man. I can really hear the bass on these things, bro. Yeah, man. Hey, this is crazy, man. The Onns, the ONNs, the ONN, bruh. They actually pretty good, man. They actually pretty good, man. Also, I'm tapping on the headphones, you know what I'm saying, and they're just like playing. I don't know if you can see that on my phone right here. I just tap on them, boom. Or I should tap once, actually. There you go. And I tap it once, and then pauses, bro. Okay, that's some high, high level type stuff. Did it say touch control? There you go. Man, for $40, man, hey, you can't really go wrong with the Onns. Despite the packaging, though, but hey, besides that, I can really hear the bass on this stuff, man. I don't know if y'all can hear this. I don't know if you can hear this. Wait, can you hear it? Nah, you can't even hear it. Wait, hold on. Can you hear that? Bruh, you can really hear these. Now imagine that in your ears. There's a real bass coming out of these stuff right here, man. These are actually really good. Alright, so they sound really good for $40. They're not like, I wouldn't compare these to like, obviously the, AirPods. Despite me making jokes about AirPods, but I wouldn't obviously compare them to AirPods or like JBLs or Skull Candy or anything like that. But for the price, they're really good. Like, I'm not even complaining. Like, I can really hear the bass coming out from these headphones. You know what I'm saying? I can really be vibing. You can even bring these to the gym or whatnot. You know what I'm saying? But now, we gotta do the test call. Alright, let me test it real quick. Let me call myself on my business phone and see how good these are. Alright, let's do that. All right. Let me mute this. Let's put this on speaker. Yo, hello. All right. Hold on, right here. All right, these are pretty good, man. Like I can hear myself through the phone. Like they're doing what they need to do. You know what I'm saying? Yo, if I didn't say this already, get the Onns for $40. If you're on a budget, like if you're a high school student or whatever the case may be, get these, man. For $40, you can't even complain. You can really, if you're on a budget, a tight budget, you know, get these, man. Get these. These are not bad at all. I'm telling you, I'm being honest, I'm being truthful. These are actually pretty good for $40. You can't go wrong with these. You dig? But yeah, YouTube, that's the video. You know what I'm saying? You already know the drill. Like, comment, subscribe, join the club, join the crew. We growing up in here. You dig? And also, check out my other YouTube channel. It's Professor_E. Where we do motivational videos. Where we speak the truth. You know what I'm saying? Because people need to be hearing the truth out here. You dig? Alright. And I'll be posting very soon. You know, I know I've been gone for like a whole year plus. But it is what it is. You dig? So yeah, man. Like, comment, subscribe, join the club, join the crew. We're growing up in here. Alright, holla at your boy. We out. Peace.